Today we're taking a quick look inside the Dell Optiplex 3050 in this shorts video. Let's dive in. This compact desktop is perfect for home or office use, combining power and efficiency in a small form factor. First, remove the side panel, just a simple slide and lift. Here you can see the inside. You can see the neat layout designed for easy upgrades and maintenance. Check out the RAM slots. This model can support up to 32 GB of DDR4 memory, allowing for smooth multitasking and performance. Next, the hard drive bay. The Optiplex 3050 typically comes with a 2.5-inch SSD or SSD, but there's room for upgrades. Here's the CPU and its cooling system. The unit is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, perfect for everyday computing tasks. And don't forget the PCI slots. You can add a dedicated graphic cards or other expansion cards to boost your system's capabilities. Once you're done exploring, simply slide the panel back on and secure it. And there you have it, a quick look inside the Dell Optiplex 3050. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech shorts. Thanks for watching.